Hello and welcome to Kids Connect. Today we will learn about pre-mathematical concepts. These are the concepts taught to kids at pre-primary level prior to number sense. In this stage, kids learn to observe the attributes of quality, then quantity, and finally numbers. Pre-mathematical concepts focus on classifying objects on the basis of their shape, size, contours, length, depth, height, thickness, weight, and quantity. Let us learn about these concepts. Let us begin with big and small. This concept is based on the sizes of the objects which are very much visible to kids, and they can easily connect with it. They can also compare sizes of objects present in and around their house. Few examples are given here for their reference. Next concept is heavy and light. This concept is based on the difference in the weight of the objects. Few objects are heavier than the other objects. For example, in the picture, the apple is heavier than the pencil. The bag the girl is carrying is heavier than the book she is carrying. An elephant is heavier than the mouse. Now comes the concept of long and short. This concept is related to the length of the objects. Kids can compare the length of the objects that are living or non-living which are present in and around their house. Few examples are given here. Comes the concepts of up and down. This concept is related to the position or direction of the object. The concept of tall and short. This concept is based on the height of the objects. You can also measure your height and know how tall you are. Let us compare the heights of few objects. Concept of behind and in front of. These are the concepts which are related to the position of the objects. Behind is the opposite of in front of. It means at the back of something, and in front of is used when if someone or something is in front of another thing, they are facing it, ahead of it, or close to the front part of it. Now comes the concept of high and low. High and low describes height of the objects from ground. High means the object is above the ground and low means the object is near to the ground. You can see the examples for clear understanding. Now comes the concept of narrow and wide. This tells us the gap between two objects. That could be two buildings, two sides of river or trees. If the gap is more, we call it wide. If it is less, we call it narrow. Then comes the concept of deep and shallow. Deep means having a great depth, whereas shallow means something which is not so deep and the base of the water body is easily visible. So clearly these two words explain the depth of the water bodies. Examples are also given for clear understanding. The concept of near and far. Near means at a short distance or nearby, and far means at a great distance. Then comes the concept of top and bottom. These are the opposite words. Top means highest or uppermost point or part, whereas bottom means the lowest point or part of something. Examples are given for clear understanding. The concept of in and out. In means inside a container, place or area, and out means outside a container, place or area. As given in the pictures, in first picture, the ladybug is in the jar and coming out of it, and in second picture, the boy is going in the room and coming out of it. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Watch other videos of Kids Connect for more entertainment and learning.